2018 BMW 2 Series Review. The sleek, sporty 2018 BMW 2 Series is among the most athletic cars you can get, rewarding you using a well-tuned ride however hard you push it. For spirited drivers, few class rivals can match its performance prowess. New for 2018. No major changes. Pros and cons. Generous trunk space. Robust standard and available engines. Sporty handling that has a smooth ride. History of proper reliability and crash test ratings. Back seat is simply too small for adults. The 2018 BMW 2 Series is really a genuinely sporty car, with precise steering plus a well-tuned suspension system complementing all of the three engine choices. As you climb the trim levels, horsepower as well as increase. Unlike with many rivals, though, even base engine provides satisfying acceleration. A different engine accompanies every one of the 2 Series' 3 available trim levels. Its base engine, powering the 230i, is really a twin-turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder. It may be rated at 248 horsepower, but it really feels a lot more powerful. This is also the best engine with the bunch. Its fuel economy rating of 24 miles per gallon within the city and 35 miles per gallon traveling is above average for the luxury small car. The M240i comes that has a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter 6-cylinder engine that sees out 335 horsepower and also a satisfying exhaust note. Both the 230i and M240i have the identical gearbox options. An 8-speed automatic transmission is standard, along with no charge. You'll be able to upgrade to some 6-speed manual transmission. There's no wrong choice here, as both feel smooth, as well as the automatic shifts quickly. Gas mileage about the M240i is rated at 21 miles per gallon city 30 mpg highway. The M2 is considered the most powerful addition with this lineup. Like the M240i, a 3.0-liter 6-cylinder engine with twin turbochargers is under its hood, but special tuning creates a 365 horsepower rating. It includes a fuel economy rating of 2,026 miles per gallon and comes with the collection of a standard 6-speed manual transmission or possibly a $2,900 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. With its sophisticated yet subdued styling, the 2018 BMW 2 Series exudes German refinement. Its technology is similarly refined, even though the infotainment method is user-friendly, it can take some time to have used to it. This car best accommodates two different people, since the back seat is just too cramped for adults. The 2 Series has more trunk space than most vehicles this size. The 2 Series comes standard with Sensatec upholstery, BMW's synthetic leather, a leather-wrapped tire, 10-way power-adjustable front sport seats, along with a 60/40 split folding rear seat. Available seating options include leather upholstery, 14-way power-adjustable front seats, heated front seats, and also a heated leader. The front seats have supportive cushions, with ample power changes and set an appropriate driving position. Legroom is limited within the back seat, despite the fact that this is typical for just a vehicle this size. You'll find roomier rivals available inside the class such because the larger Mercedes-Benz class. It's especially simple to clip a young child safety seat into either in the 2 Series rear seats. Both come having a set of tether minimizing anchors, and many types of hardware is user-friendly. The 2 Series standard infotainment system contains BMW's Idrive Infotainment System, a 6.5-inch display, a 7-speaker head unit, Bluetooth, a USB port, and HD radio. Push-button start, automatic climate control, rain-sensing windshield wipers, adaptive cruise control, and also a rear-view camera may also be standard. Optional features have an 8.8-inch touchscreen display screen, a 12-speaker Harman Kardon surround sound system, navigation, a radio smartphone charger, a Wi-Fi place, wireless Apple CarPlay, satellite radio, a moonroof, ambient lighting, a proximity key, front and back parking sensors, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, high beam assist, automatic high beams, a dynamic driving assistant that prompts someone to slow down before a curve, adaptive headlights, and real-time speed limit information. BMW's Idrive infotainment system requires a bit of getting accustomed to, but once you will get the hang of it, the product is easy to make use of. Depending about the version, you may control the interface by using a controller knob, voice commands, or the touchscreen. The 2 Series Coupe includes a 13.8 cubic foot trunk, and that is generous because of this class. A folding rear seat using a 6040 split comes standard, providing you with extra room when you wish to haul larger items. Cargo space lowers to 11.8 cubic feet together with the top up inside a 2 Series convertible and 9.9 cubic feet with all the top down.